Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to report a product or a seller on AliExpress. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in aliexpress.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official AliExpress website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the left side and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, you will be able to browse through the various different items that are on sale within AliExpress. When you find a product that you are interested in, you can click on it to see the details. Now, if you wish to send a report about any product, then you might notice that there is no option to report it directly. You can either copy the URL of the product that you wish to report, or you can also click on the store ID underneath the add to cart button. Now, you might find a contact now button by which you will be able to get in touch with the store. However, even in this page, you will not find any option to report them. So make sure that you copy the URL of the store page or the product page and then hover over to the account icon at the top right corner. Then tap on Disputes and Reports and now click on Submit a Report. Then choose the kind of report that you wish to submit by reading through carefully. Now just enter the product URL of the actual product that you wish to report. Then choose the report good type and then choose the subcategory. Then enter the reason for your reporting within the reason for reporting option. Make sure to include as much details as possible to justify why you are reporting this ad. If you wish to upload an image, you can also click on Upload Files to provide the proof. And now make sure to click on the checkbox which says that you agree with all of the terms and conditions. Finally, click on the Submit button and your report will be submitted to the AliExpress team. You will find any updates through your message within the message center or within the My Reports option. And there you have it. That is how you can report someone on AliExpress. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.